Deluxe. Alright. We have Asus's best P55 chipset motherboard, and we're going to do an unboxing for you. Alright, we have user manual, the usual shit. Nice sticker. Fair enough. Quick start guide. IO shield. It's all the stuff that's on the back of it. I'll show you the back later. It's got the padding, which is pretty sick. Right, we have an SLI bridge. Very nice. The Q connectors. ID, yeah, whatever. Oh, it's that remote thing. I'll open that up. Whoa. Yeah, I'll definitely have to play around with this later. But that's what comes. We have how many SATA? 2 in there. Now they're nice, they're black ones, so they're not those pink looking things. Yeah, 2, so we've got a total of 6 SATAs. And for the back, got 2 USBs and an eSATA plug. Very handy. Oh my god. That's insane. Do I open it? Alright. Alright, we have got some stupid sticker here. I'll leave it there for now. I might put it somewhere on the case or on the inside or something. Got 6 SATAs here, ID 24 pin there. I do not know what that is. This, I don't know what that does, but it's a memory OK button apparently. Okay. Yes, yeah. Alright, we got 3 more SATAs. I think these ones have that RAID feature that's on the front of the box. But yeah. How many USBs? Have 6. Optional of having 6 more USBs. Here's the 8 pin or 4 pin, whichever you use, is here. It's very nice. Quite like it. It's got, yeah, now you've got 3 PCI Express lanes, and here's the back. 8 USBs, 2 LAN plugs, 1 Firewire, SPDIF, optical, 7.1 analog, and your PS2s. They're all solid capacitors, and you've got, I think, how much phases? Phase power, does it say? 16 plus 3 phase power design, and here's the inside of the box. And there we go. So we have no north bridge, just a south bridge, and that is an awesome heatsink. There we go. The P7P55D Deluxe.